Hello guys, welcome back to Algorina. Or in the last video, we just talked about the distrust algorithms and all. So yeah, we are now back on the track on the daily code forces challenge. So yeah, last time हमने prefix sum के बारे में समझाता था. Let's solve some important pattern hidden questions on the prefix sum. Okay, okay. So let's start without wasting any time. Here the first question. Let's solve this. Okay, let's read. So we have n items basically, and each with a price and queries x comma y. Where if you buy at least x items, you get the y cheapest of them free, right? So we need to calculate the maximum total by free value for each query. Okay. Uh, okay. So the first sign is that the input is given in the queries. ओके सो इट्स अ साइन. अगर आपने मेरी प्रीफिक्स वाली वीडियो नहीं देखी है देन वहाँ जाके एक बार विजिट करो, देखो वीडियो को. उसमें मैंने बताया है कि क्वेश्चन में क्या साइंस मिलेंगे, जिससे पता चलेगा कि यहाँ पे प्रीफिक्स हम यूज़ करना है. सो क्लियरली इसमें लाइक क्वेरीज के बारे में बात की गई है. सो द फर्स्ट साइन इज एंड solving this problem first, the key idea is that to maximize the free items we should buy the most expensive X items, right? Then among those, the buy cheapest item will be free, right? So let's sort the price and in a descending order. First, let's solve this here till here, right? Okay, just take input. First, we'll take input. It's a ritual. Then we'll just initialize a vector. Vector, we'll initialize the size of the vector. It depends on the n, right? So let's just run a loop and take as an input. It's till the end of the size, and here what happened. So here, so yeah, the input phase is covered. Then what we decided that we have to first sort in the decreasing order, or we can sort in the like normal orders too. Like later I'll change that. Okay, so I'll just sort in the normally so that कि थोड़ा solve हो जाए. Solve करने में मैं यहीं पर डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में सॉल्व करूँगा तो फिर आगे थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा, और अभी इसका मेन फेज बाकी है, राइट? So yeah, we'll done this here. Now we have to apply on the prefix sum. After sorting, I'll compute a prefix sum array, right? ठीक है. This way I can quickly find the total cost of any prefix of items. So for each query x comma y, I'll look the first x items in the sorted order, right? And among those, the last y items are cheapest. Last items are the cheapest, right? So their sum is prefix of x minus prefix of x minus y. That's a free value of for this query. As it is simple, right? It's a basic calculation as it is told in exactly in the question. First, I'll just I have to take it to, because the constraints are high, so I'll just using long, right? And just create it. The size, I'll just initialize the size, and let's just initialize the first value is 0. Then I'll just initialize a loop from the 0 till the end, and in this I'll just add this, so fire your and in the other loop, I'll just start that loop, second loop, third loop actually, and till the q, right? And in this I'll just initialize two more values, a comma b. Let's just take an input query a comma b, and let's just at last for the cout, for the last output, uh, I have to just print the answer of for the each query. Like since queries are independent, prefix sum make it efficient. Only we go of n log n for sorting, and we go of n for prefix, and we go of one per query. राइट, ये भी हमने उस वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था। प्रीफिक्स सम बनने में कितना लगता है, क्या टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी होती है उसकी, देन उसकी क्वेरीज जितनी भी इनफाइनाइट क्वेरीज होंगी तो भी उनको रन करने में फिर कितना टाइम लगेगा, वो सारी चीज़ें हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं उस वीडियो में। सो अगर आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा है जस्ट गो एंड जस्ट चेक आउट, बहुत कुछ समझ में आएगा उस वीडियो में। सो या लेट्स जस्ट द n minus a minus b, right? And then the next pair is of n minus a, right? And then, yeah, let's just try to run. Come on. What the 8, 5, and 6? Yeah, it's correct. Let's try to submit this. Promo. See, क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी था। जस्ट जो क्वेश्चन में बोला था वही सेम एज इट इज स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसको प्रिंट करते गया मैं कोड में। टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी लाइक इट्स इजी टू कैलकुलेट। हमने सॉर्टिंग यूज़ किया, देन इस सॉर्टिंग यूज़ किया, सो फॉर द सॉर्टिंग इसकी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी सेपरेट होगी ऑफ एन लॉग एन, एंड फॉर द यूजिंग द प्रीफिक्स सम जो बनाया उसकी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी वी गो ऑफ एन, एंड सारी क्वेरीज जो रन की, सारी क्वेरीज रन करने का वी गो ऑफ वन। तो साइज सेपरेट है, इट्स इजी क्वेश्चन। Okay, let's move forward to the next question. Karen and coffee. Nice. Okay. It's a good question actually. There is another sugar mine. The each one of mission output is a single integer of a line by itself. Now, admissible integer temperature between A and B degrees inclusive. So see, यहाँ पे भी queries का discussion हो गया है। आपको literally क्वेश्चन पढ़ के समझ में आएगा कि queries के ऊपर बेस पर पूरा क्वेश्चन चल रहा है। So there is a clear sign that we have to use prefix sum here. Like we can use prefix sum here, or like we can did with the other approaches too. Like it suggests that problem text binary search we can use that, and like other text too. We'll solve this using DP2. But now at right now we are talking about the prefix sum, right? So just we are here to solve the problems using the prefix sum. Okay, so the one approach in my mind comes that in that approach I have to use just three loops till this range, actually more than this range, plus five or and all. Or there's another approach I comes in my mind. Let's try to implement that. क्वेश्चन मैंने पूरा नहीं पढ़ा है, क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे साथ साथ में, एंड क्वेश्चन पढ़िए, प्रॉब्लम को छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम से ब्रेक करेंगे, एंड देन फिर सॉल्व करेंगे। एंड इट्स द रूल, यही होता है, ठीक है। सबसे पहले से कंस्टेंट्स हैं, तो मैं बार बार ये इतना बड़ा वैल्यू प्रिंट करने से अच्छा है मैं इसको ऊपर ग्लोबली प्रिंट कर देता हूँ, राइट। लेट्स जस्ट प्रिंट इट, let's just print it to this, and let's this, right? And is there any other thing we have to print? Let's just initialize other things to globally too. Int count, and this is this, and we have to print the result also with the same size, right? And just print A and then B and then C, or I have to just use, let's just use the same variable as in the appeared in the question, right? Let's solve. Let's start to solve. First, I'll just initialize the queries. Okay. See, the best thing ever in of the code forces that they at least give a single example or like a 3 to sample inputs example explanation. Okay. She has a code for questions. In the questions, she wants to know the number of that we served and and the second test case, Tucker knows the first one is all right. क्वेश्चन तो अच्छा है यार, लिटरली क्वेश्चन अच्छा है. Let's just try to solve this. First I have to just take the input of the values and let's just run a loop. It's int, not it. I'll just start the loop from the 1 till the end, and in that I'll just take input of L and R and just use this out of L plus plus and out of R plus 1. No, no, not plus plus, it's minus minus, right? Okay. What is the issue? ये error क्यों दे रहा है यहाँ पर? Count is ambiguous. Ambiguous. Why? Okay, okay, okay. Let's just change the right identifier होता है. Okay, let's just run the third loop, second loop as it's operating the question. We have to just use that till the end. Okay. So my second loop is also initialized from the 1 and till the end, and till the end, yeah, complete end. And we have to just count of I is equal count of I minus 1, right? And at same we'll just use a third loop, and the third loop is also starts from the 1 till the last end, and yeah, in this we'll just initialize the answer. So queries answer of I minus 1 plus count of I if only if count is greater than equal to it, right? The third thing. And the last one I have to use till the initializing the 1, and it's also do the cube and plus plus I, and just we'll again check queries and so on, right? And just see out the same what rest of part minus rest of L minus 1 bracket of minus 1 and just print. So according to me it's right, like जैसा प्रॉब्लम में बोला था मैंने बस वही एज इट इज़ कोड किया है. नाउ फिर देखते हैं क्या आता है, यही करते हैं. ओके what 3304 it's correct. Let's just run again. 0 सही है. Let's copy paste here and let's just submit it and uncopy. Let's see क्या होता है. It's working. It's actually working. So yeah, that's it from today for today. And कल भी ऐसी वीडियोस बनाएंगे और जिसमें प्रीफिक्स सम के और क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. इफ़ यू वांट द डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन, जो मेरी लास्ट वीडियो जिसमें मैंने प्रीफिक्स समझाया है उससे कनेक्टेड, कि कहाँ जो मैंने चीज़ें उसमें बोली हैं और कहाँ वो इसमें मैच हुई, कहाँ मैंने क्वेश्चंस को ढंग से आइडेंटिफाई किया. अगर आपको कुछ भी लगा कि नहीं समझ में आया या फिर कुछ और अच्छे से बोलना है, जस्ट प्लीज़ जस्ट कमेंट ऑफ द वीडियो. मुझे बताओ कि क्या मुझे इम्प्रूव करना है, क्या मैं अच्छे से और कर सकता हूँ, कैसे मैं ढंग से बता सकता हूँ, क्या मुझे किस टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनानी चाहिए. जस्ट प्लीज़ राइट इट ऑन द कमेंट सेक्शन. या थैंक यू.